cross multiply. So what we will do, we multiply x minus 5 with 5 and we will multiply x minus 3 with 3. So what do you get? You get 5 multiplied with x minus 5 is equal to 3 multiplied with x minus 3. Okay. Now 5 into x is how much? 5x. Then minus sign, 5 into 5 is 25 is equal to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Now what you get? 5x. You will bring all the variable terms on one side and constant terms on the other side. So 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 and then plus 25. Okay, children. So 5x minus 3x, we get 2x is equal to minus 9 and plus 25 will give you how much? I get 16 it should give you.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
16
ma'am,
it gives you. Plus 16. So x is equals to 16 by 2. So when you cancel 16 and 2, you get 8 as your answer. So x is equals to 8. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Get a solution and tell me you understand. Go through it once.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now, student, we have this question. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Okay, so first of all, what we will do is whenever we have a decimal, you will remove the decimal and convert that number as a fraction. So you will always convert the decimal number as a fractional number. So here what do you get? You get 25 by 100 multiplied with 4f minus 3 is equal to, now when you remove the decimal, you get 5 by 100 into 10f minus 9. Okay? This step everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we will do is, see, we have a common denominator. We have 100 over here and 100 over here as well. So I will multiply every term with 100. So 100 multiplied with 2f by 100 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 100 into 5 by 100 into 10f minus 9. Okay, 100 and 100 cancel, 100 and 100 cancel. You get 25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 into 10f minus 9. Okay, now what you get? 25 into 4 is how much? 100f minus 25 into 3 is how much? 75 is equal to 5 into 10f is how much? 50f minus 5 into 9 is how much? 45. Okay, children, do not make this mistake that you're multiplying this number with only the first digit. That is wrong. You have to multiply it with all the digits inside the bracket. So inside the bracket, I have 4f also, I have minus 3 also. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
next
ma'am.
what you will do is you will bring the variable terms on one side. So you will have 100f minus 50f is equals to minus 45 plus 75. So 100f minus 50f is 50f is equals to minus 45 and plus 75 is how much? 30. Okay. So f is equals to 30 by 5. That means 3 by 5. Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, I
everybody,
have a question, ma'am.
yes, Duha.
Ma'am, we can just directly multiply 0.25 and 0.05 with 100, right?
You can directly multiply also, that's also correct. But why am I following this step? See, children, whenever you have a known sequence with you, now you know what is your sequence, you will first convert into fraction. So you will never go wrong. Now, what if the question was the same thing, but the question was 2.5 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 10f minus 9. Now with what you will multiply? You will get confused like this because there is only one decimal place on left hand side and two decimal places on right hand side, right? So what will you do? You will first remove it. Here also you'll remove it. LCM of 10 and 100 is 100 only, so you will multiply with 100. So in 200 you do over here also you do in 200. Now why did I tell you this step was that, see now, every time you will not get the same decimal place. In this question, we have the same decimal place on LHS also, on RHS also. That is 100 and 100 you have to multiply. But sometimes they can give you a question where there is one decimal place on one side, two decimal places on another side, or three decimal places. Okay, so because of this difference, I am telling you to first convert it and then multiply. Okay, but if you see that there is
Okay.
same decimal place on both the sides, so you can directly multiply also. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, all of you just quickly copy the solution and tell me if you're understanding or not, or if you have any doubts.
Ma'am, we can multiply like another method also, like right, 0.25 into 4f minus 0.25 into 3, like that.
Yes, you have that method also, but see, Harmeet, now what happens? 0.25 into 4 is 1. Okay, and 0.25 into 3 is 0.75. Now I know this directly. Why? Because this is some easy calculation that I already know the answers for. Now, solving with decimal becomes a little bit complex, and it becomes like easier to make calculation errors. So students will make calculation errors like this. That is why you do not do it directly. You first remove all the decimals and then you solve it. Because without decimals, there are less chances that you're making any entry. So we always want there are no errors in our calculation. So do it by the easiest method. Why are you doing such long calculations? You will do 0.25 into 4 you will write, and then you will think, okay, where I have to put the decimal.
Yeah.
Right? And it's easier to do 25 into 4 is 100. Everybody knows. Okay,
Yeah.
so do it. Copy it quickly, children.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. So shall we move to the next question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody now do the ninth question. Okay. Do it step by step. First, you multiply 3 with 5z minus 7. Then you multiply minus 2 with 9z minus 11. Solve everything on the left hand side. Now, children, do not transpose until and unless you have simplified the entire thing. What do children do is they are solving a little bit, then they start transposing. No, you will not transpose until and unless there is no more calculation on either side. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Duha.
ma'am, it's Kumar.
Yeah, Kumar.
Ma'am, for 3 in the bracket 5z minus 7, do we need to multiply 5 with 3 and 7 with 3?
Yeah, you'll multiply 3 into 5z, then 3 into minus 7.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss now. Shall we discuss, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, what do I have is 3 into 5z minus 7. What do I get for here? Kumar, tell me.
Ma'am, we get 15z minus 21.
Okay. Then what do I get for this term? Harmeen?
Yes, ma'am. We get minus 18z plus 22.
Very good. Now, Duha, what do I get for here?
Ma'am, we get 32z minus
Yes,
52.
minus 52, and then minus 17 is left. Okay, next, what should I do, Mustafa?
Ma'am, you transpose 22 to the other side.
No, but I told you one thing, that you will not transpose without solving. If there is, see, can you solve anything on either side? Yes, we have so much of solving. We have 15z minus 18z. We have minus 21, 22. Here we have 52 and 17. You solve all of this first. Don't transpose until and unless there is nothing to solve. You will first solve 15z minus 18z. So how much does it become? Minus 3z. Minus 21 and plus 22 is plus 1 is equal to 32z remains as it is. Minus 52 and minus 17 become how much? Minus 69. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what it is? Minus 3z remains as it is. 32z you will carry now. Transpose. Now you will transpose. Why? Because children, now we don't have anything to solve. Why am I saying this, children? See, now all of these small steps, when we are revising, you should know how you should do. The first time we did the chapter, that was okay, however you are doing the question. But now you have your exam coming. So you should be preparing well for that. Okay. So all of these steps so that you don't make calculation errors. So minus 3z minus 32z is how much now? Yeah.
Minus 35z.
Minus
Yes.
35.
minus 35c is equals to, then
Is
minus
equal
69 and minus 1 is how much?
Minus 70.
Minus 70
minus 70.
is equals to minus 70 by minus 35. To cancel this, you get plus 2 as your answer. Okay. Everybody got plus 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next that I have is, you can do question number 8. Do question 8.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, good. So again, we'll discuss
Done,
it one by one. So now, Mustafa, now you tell me, how will I solve this step? Tell me the first step.
Yes, ma'am. First we solve the bracket. So it is 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30.
Plus 18 plus 5y plus 30. is equals to 0. Very good. Now, Kumar, you tell me the second step.
Ma'am, then we take out all the sum. Ma'am, then we make the bracket, then we separate all the variables and the constant.
So tell me that. Don't tell me what are you going to do. I know that. You tell me what you have.
Now for variable, it is 15y plus 2y minus 5y.
No,
Then,
wrong signs you're saying. It's 15y minus 2y and then plus 5y. So what is the answer?
ma'am, it will be 17y.
No. 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So 18y. Then what is the answer for constants?
Ma'am, for constant, it's by mistake, ma'am, but I wrote 90 instead of 60. Ma'am.
No, that's wrong, Kumar. You're making calculation errors. Corrected. Harmini, you tell me. What will be the sum for constants?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I added 15y plus 5y minus 2y. We get 20y minus 2y. Then minus 60 plus 48 is equal to 0.
So minus, yeah, so tell me what do you get for minus 60?
Yeah.
Okay, minus 60 plus 48 is equals to 0.
48.
Then you get 18y
Yeah.
minus 60 plus
Minus
48 how
18y
much?
minus 12.
Very good. Minus 12 is equals to 0. Yeah, now Duha, you tell me the next step.
So 18y is equal to minus 12 because
No,
0 minus 12.
plus 12. 0 plus 12 it will become, right?
Oh yeah, plus 12, yeah.
So you're making calculation
Yeah.
errors, especially signs. So how much is y equal to?
Y is equal to 12 by 18.
Yeah, and when you simplify it,
Ma'am, I got a little wrong in between.
okay, no problem. But when you simplify 12 and 18, you can just tell me from this step only. 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 9 is 18.
Yes,
So 6
it's
by,
6
no,
by
no,
9.
by 3. By 3 you will cancel, huh?
So then it's,
Cancel by 3.
yeah, so it's 2 by 3.
3 into 4 and 3 into
3 into 6. So it's,
you can cancel by 6 also. 6 into 2 and 6 into 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer.
yeah, it's 2 by 3.
Yes. Got it? 2 by 3, everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, if anybody didn't understand, you can take a screenshot quickly. Okay. Now let's come to question number 5 and 6. Now these are also another important questions that we have. Quickly do them. Do 5 and 6 together only. Do question 5 and question 6. Yes, children, done?
No.
No, ma'am.
Anybody did the fifth one? Children, did anybody do the fifth one?
No, ma'am, still doing.
Okay.
Um,
Children, by the time you're doing, please just for 1 minute you can tell me that you have your midterm examinations in September, right? Most of you.
Yes, ma'am. For me,
Ma'am,
it's like the last days of September.
Okay.
I think it's 20.
mine is in
I
the
think
first
I
week of
have in the
October.
first or second week of October.
In October. Okay, and
Mine is
Duha
in the first. Mine is in the first 2 weeks of October.
and Kumar.
Ma'am, it's around ending of September.
Okay, so only Harmeen. Okay, no, everybody. So we have approximately 2 months. So children, is there any chapter that is coming in your exams and we haven't done that in the class? For anybody, is there any chapter?
Ma'am, except data and like there's no other chapter.
Data
Yes,
handling
ma'am.
we haven't
Data
done.
handling.
Ma'am, and for me, comparing quantities.
Comparing quantities for Duha. 1 second, I'll note it down.
Ma'am,
Only
and
comparing quantities for Duha.
ma'am, also practical geometry.
And any other lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Practical geometry.
Yeah, any other lesson apart from practical geometry
Uh,
and comparing quantities?
no, ma'am.
Okay. So for Duha, we have 2 lessons, and Harmeen and Kumar has that data handling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mustafa, for you, everything has been completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, like, so from this chapter onwards, we'll be starting with revision, okay? Like, quickly do these 2 questions so that after we've done from the NCRT, we'll be solving the exemplar as well. Okay. So everybody, what you will do is from the next class onwards, you will be revising NCRT on your own. Like the next chapter that I will revise will be, let's say, algebraic expressions I revise. So when I will revise that, everybody will revise the NCRT on their own, and then you all will come, and then you all will come. Okay, and whatever doubts you have from the NCRT, you will ask that from your own only. Okay, and only those doubt questions we'll be discussing. And if I find any other important question is there, then we will be discussing that. Okay, children. So make this a habit that before every class, whatever lesson that I am telling you, you will be revising that and then you will be coming in the class. So for the
Ma'am,
next, yes, Kumar.
but when will complete data handling?
Yeah, I'll do, see now, only you and Harmeen has data handling, so I'll do that separately with you and Harmeen. We'll have another class for you. Okay. So children, please note that for the next class, you will be revising understanding quadrilaterals on your own. Okay, all of you will come prepared with understanding quadrilaterals from the NCRT. And Mustafa and Duha, you both can do it from your textbook only. And whatever doubts we will have, first we'll have a doubt discussion, then I'll discuss the questions that I want to give you. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody, please note it down. Understanding quadrilaterals. Shall we discuss the fifth one now, children?
Ma'am, I don't have understanding quality.
You don't have understanding quadrilaterals. Okay. Let's do rational numbers then. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Rational
ma'am.
numbers we can take up. Children, shall we do the fifth one now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, what is the step that I should take? Mustafa, you tell me the first step.
Yes, ma'am. to find the LCM of 4, 3, and 3 is 12.
Okay.
So we multiply 12 by 3t minus 2 upon 4, and then
Okay.
12 2t plus 3
2 by 3. Okay, is equals to 12 into 2 by 3 minus 12t. Okay. Now, next you do. Next step now, Duha, you tell me.
Ma'am, we cancel 12 and 4, we get 3.
Okay.
And we cancel 12 and 3, we get 4.
Okay.
And again, we cancel 12 and 3, and we get 4 again.
Okay. So now my answer becomes, tell me the answer also, Duha.
We get 90 minus 6, minus 80,
Okay.
minus, plus 12, or minus 12.
Minus 12 is
Yeah.
equal to 8
Is equal to 8.
minus
Is equal to minus, yeah, minus
minus.
20.
Okay. Now
8.
next step, Harmeen, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 9, we have to, we can first separate 90,
Yes.
90 minus, yeah, 90 minus 80
Yeah,
gives
that's
1t,
very good.
and minus 12, minus 16 gives minus 18.
Very good. On the right side, 8 minus 12 you take.
Yeah, yeah, 8 minus 12t.
Now, Kumar, you tell me.
Then we, ma'am, we take the 12t, separate from the 8. Then we take 1t plus 12, which is 13t.
Okay. And is equals to 8 plus 8.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you get on right side?
Ma'am, we get
26.
ma'am 26.
So t is equals to 26 by 14. You
Ma'am,
can
it is 2.
t is equals to 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So now next is, next we do the sixth question. Sixth one, I'll write it here. m minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2. To 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Okay, so look here. What do you have first of all is, you will take the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So now you multiply every term with 6. So 6m minus 6 into m minus 1 by 2 is equals to 6 into 1 is 6 minus 6 into m minus 2 by 3. Okay. So this becomes 6m. You cancel this, becomes 3 minus 3 m minus 1 is equals to 6 minus, you cancel this, you get 2 m minus 2. Next you get 6m minus 3m plus 3 is equals to 6 minus 2m plus. So now you get 3m plus 3 is equals to 10 minus 2m. 3m plus 2m is equals to 10 minus 3. So you get 5. M is equals to 7. M is equals to 7 by 5. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Copy this written if you want.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. Children, you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one
Yes,
by
ma'am.
one, you will solve this. So the first question is, if minus 4 by 3y is equals to minus 3 by 4, then what is the value of y? Okay, so children, what you do, see, it's nothing very different. You just, you remember I told you solving the equation. What does it mean to solve the equation? To find the value of the variable. So how do you find the value of the variable? You transpose everything else on the other side. So this equation, when I will have to solve, I will write minus 4 by 3y is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now you have to find the value of y. So we will write y is equals to minus 3 by 4. 3 will go over there in multiply. Minus 4 will come over here in divide. So y is equals to minus 3 into minus 3. Or you can write like minus and minus sign cancelled. So 3 by 4 whole square, because it's in square form. So which one of the following is the answer? This one. So for the first one, C is the correct option. Right? Just try it. Try it on
Yes.
your
Ma'am, it's minus 4 into 4.
minus.
Ma'am, it's minus 4 into 4.
No, it's not minus 4 into 4. See, here it is. See, there is one minus sign over here and one minus sign over here. So both of them will be cancelled and the answer will be in plus.
Oh, okay, ma'am, I understand.
Children, just try to understand this and tell me if you understand or not.
No, ma'am, can you explain it again?
See, Kumar, I did not do anything different. I just transposed this number on the other side. Okay, I am just transposing. So when I because I want the value of y, so the value of y will be now, you have minus 3 by 4 written over here. Now you carry this minus 4 by 3 on the other side. So whenever you are carrying a fraction on the other side, the fraction is reciprocal. So the fraction, when you reciprocal, it becomes minus 3 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what does it become? It becomes
Ma'am,
minus and minus sign cancelled. Now answer can be 9 by 16 also. But you see, answer is not 9 by 16 anywhere in the option, but you have 3 by 4 square. So can I write 9 by 16 as 3 by 4 square? Yeah, that is also correct.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
Yeah, children, do you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, children, just my Wi-Fi got disconnected, so I got out of the meeting. 1 second, I'm sharing it again. Yeah, children, you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, children. So please start doing these questions that I marked. Quickly complete them. You all will complete and write the options. Like for example, the answer is A, C, D, and A. So you will write the sequence in the chat box. Quickly do it. Write the sequence in the chat box. Then I will discuss. Okay. Yes, children. Did anybody got the answer? Did anybody get the answer?
Yes, ma'am, typing.
Yes, ma'am, I type.
I did. Okay, I received Mustafa's answer is 11. 11th is A, 2C, 3D, and 4A. Okay. Mustafa, Kumar, you just write the option. Don't write the whole answer. Okay? And even children, you don't have to put the numbers. Like write the sequence in order.
Ma'am, I didn't knew the second one and the 11th one. That's why I wrote like that.
Okay, no problem. Harmeen and Duha. Children, now
Yes,
I'll start. Okay. Please look here and check your answers. The first is linear equation in one variable has only one variable, only one term with a variable, only one variable with power 1, or only one constant term. So children, linear equation in one variable, that means it should have only one variable, and linear means the power of the variable should be 1. So only one variable, this is correct. With any power, this is wrong. Only one term. No, it is not necessary that there should be only one term. 5x plus 7, it has two terms. So this is also wrong. Only one variable with a power 1. Yes, this is correct. So second option is C. Second question option is C. Okay. Next is, which of the following is a linear expression? X square plus 1, no. Power is 2. Y plus y square, no. Power is 2. 4, no. It does not have, it is not, it is a linear expression, but it is just a constant term. 1 plus z, yes, correct. Shifting of a number from one side of an equation to other is called transposition. Okay, not distributivity, not commutativity, and these are actually properties of these. Okay. Next, 11th is, what value of y will satisfy the equation? So what you will do is, now one of the method is you can one by one put your answer. But children, now 4 options you have to put and then guess. No, don't do that. You find the value of y. So what you will do now? Tell me. Here we are stuck now. So what did I tell you? Whenever you are stuck, you cannot follow any steps. So you will do cross multiplication, right? So here we will do cross multiplication. I get 9y is equals to 7 into 2y minus 15. So you get 9y is equals to 14y minus 105. So 9y, you get 105 is equals to 5y. So y is equals to 21. 21, A option is correct. Mustafa got all right. Good. Kumar, your 3 and 4th, both of them were right. Good, children. So that means now you can do these MCQs type of questions. Now next, children, a few MCQs I'll be giving as your assignment. You can do them. And now next we'll be discussing further questions of this lesson only. Okay. If we are able to complete in the next class, then we will start rational numbers. Otherwise, we will complete extra questions of this lesson only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it for today. Now we'll continue it in the next. Children, 1 second, please don't leave. Just tell me one thing. Is direct and indirect proportion